Alright guys, I'm Rexel Sean. Today I'm in Birkenhead. Come to explore this huge pub here that's behind me. Lots of fire damage, looks pretty sketchy inside, so we're going to go and see what's what. I'm here today with my good friend Exploring with Mike, 744. So yeah, come and join us as we venture inside and see what's left. So there we are guys, there's the, you see how big the place is there, look at that pub. Huge. Absolutely huge. So we're going to go and try and find a way in. Let's hope. So we are going this way. And it's quite a unique place this guys, because we're actually slap bang in the middle of a roundabout. As you can see, there's cars that side of us. And there's cars that side of us. Just being spotted by some work guys as well across the road. So can we get in? Can we get in? Or is it going to be a fight through the jungle? Oh, hello, hello, there's a door here. Fire door. I know already, look at that, we've got a half burnt chair just chilling. I know, Jesus Christ, it does look a bit sketchy in here, guys.
Very sketchy.
Oh, you can smell that fire because it smells recent. Ooh. Yeah, burnt chairs here, guys. Look at that. So we'll see.
I don't think we'll be doing all of this today.
No, I'm going to be extremely careful because this lot, well, it's got a beam up there, solid beam, but look what the rest of the building's leaning on there.
Yeah.
Why am I getting a bad vibe about this one?
Not the only one.
But this is why, guys, you don't come to places like this. You leave it to people like us who risk our lives to do it for you. Flipping it, must have been some heat. Look at that.
We're the idiots.
Yeah. Some printer scanner thing there. Look at heat. Heat damage on it.
Seen better days.
Yeah, even the light up there has been melted as well. Look.
Yeah. See what people. Bear with me a second. I'm going to have to take the place off my phone. It keeps flashing in view.
Yeah. This is it. Oh. So yeah, careful of anything falling down, Mike. Oh, alright, so you used to have that as storage. Looks like some sort of bed frame up there. And there's some more stuff like chairs and whatnot, or high chair, whatever it was, I don't know. Flowers just hanging down, fake flowers. Oh god, there's a... Oh wow. Right, that's toilet area. Yep. Toilet area completely gutted. which we all know what toilets look like, so no. That's what I'm saying. Oh, wow, look at them stairs. Them stairs are impressive. Look at these tiles here. Still some tiles, remnants of tiles.
We know what tiles are like, so we're not going to bother in going in there.
Oh wow. Right, we won't be going. Well, I might
Go so far.
Yeah. Well. Wow, it's a big bar area.
It's a massive area.
Yeah. Right, so careful of anything falling down. We never like. Whoa! Look at that. You can see the rooms upstairs, corridors and stuff. We won't be getting up there, guys. Yeah. I like that window bit over there. That's quite nice over in corner over there, guys. Right. Oh, turn the light off a minute so I can see. Right over there. That's beautiful. Used to be like a staging area there. You see remnants of a chair, bench there. Where's Mike gone?
I'm here.
In there.
Found a cellar.
Found a cellar?
Found a cellar.
Trolley! So yeah, you just found the cellar, so it's looking a bit trashed down there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, just an ambulance. Tell you what, I'll come over this way and I'll well, nearly an intact couch, well, bench. So that'd have been one of the doors in. All this damage, and look at that nice red wall there, wooden panel wall. Is that a cigarette machine? Yeah. I don't know if that'd have been a cigarette machine or not. I thought they actually banned them in pubs now, but I don't know. I bet this would have been £1 pub at one time. Up the sketchy stairs. Ooh.
I'm not going up them stairs, don't forget them.
I don't think walking on that's going to be wise.
That looks solid along that edge.
Yeah, it's just if you slip you're going straight down there, but yeah, look at that, guys. I just heard someone drop downstairs. Right, is this stone? This is stone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Must be one serious fire.
Yeah, not going any further than that. I'm not going to risk going that way, pointless.
It's obviously been a while, but like this.
It's been a while for us lost on
Yeah. See if I can get me thing so you can have an idea of what the room used to be like. This would have been the quarters. Jeez, these tanks here are just hanging down, ready to fall. If they go, it's going to take all the floor with it. So, I think Ooh. Yeah, you can definitely smell, or still smell the burning as though it was recently on fire, but you can tell with the shrubbery it's been here for quite a while like this. Yeah, definitely.
I do like the floor though.
Oh yeah.
Mosaic.
Yeah, there we go, guys. And that's not cheap either. Yeah.
As of the cellar, let's see how far I can
Yeah.
go. Because there's not much more this one we can do.
Wow. Look at all that tile there. Beautiful.
Old style tile.
Yeah, glazed tiles. Can we get down here? Or can't we? There's a lot of debris in the way. God, there's a hell of a draft down here. Oh! You know something?
What?
There's another bar down here.
Another bar?
Yeah. Ah, it's flooded. It be flooded. So if I get onto here so Mike can get in.
Underground bar, man.
Yeah. It extends, like the room extends that way, but I'm not traipsing through this because, as you can see guys, it's flooded. It's not that deep, but too deep for my boots. And plus with it being so murky, you don't know what's underneath the water.
Exactly.
So, yeah. Cool. See, it goes.
Well, there's some stepping stones that someone's done here.
Yeah, still, I'm not risking it.
Get a seat
Please.
down there.
Because he's trying to get round this bit as well, you see.
Yeah. It's them to put all the crap in the way. Yeah, there you go.
So, yeah, let's try and. Now, I want to go this ways because there's more room back here through this bushes. Ah, wow, look at that. I wonder if this is like a pub restaurant.
Yeah.
You've got this massive area here.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Is that, yeah, stained glass window, isn't it, there?
How sketchy that is.
Yeah. It's blowing in the wind.
There's a song there, isn't
Yeah, I think there is, yeah. Blowing in the wind.
there? Is it Candle in the Wind?
Well, I know a candle in the wind.
Candle in the Wind was one.
Yeah, Elton John. He sang that one for Diana's
Yeah.
her funeral. Yeah, funeral, wasn't it?
Private singing area.
All the insulation on the floor here, guys. Fire doors.
Sketchy there.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't stand on any more of that. In fact, I can see all that moving. Oh, no, right. What I thought was stained glass up there somewheres. Turns out, very, very, very shady. Or shabby, look at that. This perspex with plastic film over it.
Oh, newspaper. Date on it.
Yeah. It's a bit sodden.
Metro. No, can't see a date. Oh, there you go. November the 1st, 2023.
November the 1st, 2023. So, that's within a year then. Ooh. That's quite a unique little alcove.
Yeah. It seems as if in places it's been partitioned off.
Yeah, like
It's
that.
definitely a strange feature, that.
That is. Oh, and I was just stood right underneath that board, flapping in the wind.
That's very, very strange. And it's partitioned off because there's a little room behind it.
Yeah.
Partitioned off there, and then around the back.
Hmm.
That's,
It's weird how it's got like massive thing at the top there, and then the massive beams either side as well.
Can't see better when we get the drone up.
And it's weird, this roof as well, it's got a weird shape to it. Could this have... I wonder if that was like a stage area at one point. I don't know.
I think that is original,
Yeah,
but the middle is traditional.
yeah. And they've ruined it by trying to create a drop ceiling. You know, I stood right underneath that board that's wafted around by a wire.
I realised that.
Yeah. This is certainly a unique place. More toilet area. This is almighty weird. You can see his shot up there. It's a shame I can't get up and do all the rest of the floors up there, but you know, it's way too sketchy. Ooh.
Glass.
Jesus, look how thick that is. Flipping heck.
I wonder if that was a fish tank.
Might have been.
Someone's glove.
Right. So yeah, I think that's it now, isn't it? Really, for this one. And what's behind this wall here? Nothing. Just another. I think another bar area. Potentially another small bar area. Don't know.
A little serving area for something, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we've got plug sockets underneath like a table thing.
DJ booth.
Might be, yeah, might be.
Because it's on that sort of height, just up.
Yeah, and then with it, them fancy lights as well, that might be a dance area.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's see if we can find
Certainly
the
is.
photos of this place.
yeah. Right.
Not that much in there, but it's got a front wall on it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's.
Tile, so
Well, if you look in that one, it's the toilet area.
yeah.
So, yeah. Right. So yeah, guys, that's it for this one. Shame about the basement being flooded. Could have gone down and had a look properly in there. Shame about the upper floor as well. That too sketchy to walk on them floors. Otherwise, we end up hurting ourselves. So, but yeah, we've done all the downstairs area and stuff. Quite a unique place. So yeah, we'll leave it there, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.